Good evening, friends. We are back today with a new session on challenges of for students after post-pandemic situation. In the post-pandemic situation, my name is Nupur Pandey, and we had initially planned this session with Ms. Barkha Bhatnagar, but for some reason she'll not be able to join us. So what we'll be doing is we'll be taking the sessions, open session, for our parents who will be joining us. And the idea is very simple. The idea is that now that schools are opening, and we are also conducting a webinar, Facilitating Excellence, and ESMM, Excellence School of Media and Management, together are conducting a webinar on coming Sunday at 11 a.m. to talk about what are the implications for students once they once they are going back to schools. So the reason for us to discuss this, and there has been a lot of discussion in this regard, कि हो क्या रहा है? Why is it that there is, we have to talk about why is it that schools are opening, क्यों खोलना है schools को, why so much, is it the right time? The children are not vaccinated. Is it safe? Is it not safe? What can be done? And hence, with that feedback in mind, facilitating excellence, and I myself, I have 2 children. I thought of what is the best way to address this. One thing is, and I have my son who is in 10th standard, so he already has been going to the school. So I thought, okay, there has been quite certain changes in him. The other aspect of this is my daughter, who is now in 7th standard, and once as her discussion was brought in about whether we should be sending her, there was a strong debate within her section of the parents group whether it's a good idea, and it's not just that. So right now, and that's where I conceptualized this this webinar about it's not just about sending children, it's also about what once they go back, be it now, be it 2 months later, be it after vaccination, what are they going to face, and once they are there, what is it that they should be looking at? So my challenge with towards this was that we have to be prepared, and for that, in the coming webinar, we have called upon 3 panelists. One who is a general physician and diabetes specialist, who will be talking about lifestyle challenges that children have faced. Second, we have we also have our physiotherapist, and we also have a psychologist. Now, why? See, it's understood, sometimes you say, okay, why do we need lifestyle challenges? Maybe, बच्चे घर पे हैं, so we might be needing, sometimes some kind of lifestyle challenges जो बच्चों ने शेयर किए होंगे, फेस किए होंगे, तो उनको हटाने के लिए why would we need a physiotherapist or a psychologist? And that is what I want to share today. Why did I think of that? So here is what my observations were, and it just doesn't start immediately. It starts when you as a parent started, जब लॉकडाउन आपका शुरू हुआ था. जब लॉकडाउन आपका शुरू हुआ था, उस दौरान सबसे मुश्किल चीज़ थी बच्चों का एडजस्ट होना. और जब बच्चे एडजस्ट नहीं हो पा रहे थे, जब उनको वर्चुअल क्लासेस में जाना था, जब वो एक छोटे से sort of घर में बंद के, स्पेस में बंद के रह गए थे, उस दौरान उन्होंने अपने आप को अडेप्ट किया विथ वट एवर डिफिकल्टी दे डिड, बट दे डिड दैट। और चैलेंजेस भी आए, बट थोड़ा बहुत करके उन्होंने अपने आप को अडेप्ट किया। अब ये है कि अब उनको वहां से, उस स्टेज से उनको बाहर निकलना है, क्योंकि ये छोटा टाइम नहीं था। ये टाइम को हुए 2 साल हो गए हैं। इस 2 साल के बाद इनको बाहर निकलना है, और ये जो बाहर निकलना है, इस बाहर निकलने में व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, ये लोग घर पे बैठ गए हैं। एंड लाइक द चैलेंजेस आई सॉ विथ माय सन, he had to go and climb 5 stairs, 5 flight of stairs। अब उस सिनेरियो में जब बच्चे एकदम घर पे बैठे हुए हैं, they are sometimes even hooked on to their video games, no physical exercise, how do you think they're going to take on to sudden physical change? क्या चेंजेस के लिए उनको तैयार होना चाहिए? एंड who best to help them but a physiotherapist who can help and tell them and even give tips? And that is why we have our those tips that our physiotherapist can help us with. The change in schedule, wherever they are having their food habits, the sleeping habits have changed erratically. अक्सर पेरेंट्स कंप्लेन करते हैं बच्चे सुबह कोई खाने का टाइम नहीं है, लंच के बीच में खा रहे हैं, नो मैटर व्हाट इंस्ट्रक्शंस आर कमिंग फॉर्थ विद फ्रॉम द स्कूल टीचर्स। बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर वी यूज्ड टू हैव सेशंस फ्रॉम द स्कूल, क्या बच्चे को जब खाने के लिए बैठाएं उनका प्रॉपर ब्रेक टाइम रखें, उनको खाने के लिए स्पेसिफिक चीजें दें। बट यू ऑल्सो हैव टू रियलाइज दैट एज अ पेरेंट इट इज टू मच फॉर पेरेंट्स टू मैनेज। सो समटाइम्स हम एज पेरेंट्स छोड़ देते थे कि भैया ठीक है, बच्चा अपने हिसाब से मैनेज कर ले, कहाँ उसको इतना मॉनिटर करेंगे कि वो एकदम बंधा हुआ सा महसूस करेगा। स्कूल में वो लोग 10 बच्चे एक साथ होते हैं, इट इज मच इजियर फॉर द टीचर्स टू मॉनिटर एज अ होल, बट when they're doing it individually, it is for parents it is the dynamics change considerably. So that is what was the challenge when it came to house versus conditions in office, or conditions in school environment। and इस ट्रांजिशन के लिए, इस फिजिकल ट्रांजिशन के लिए बच्चे मेंटली क्या कितने तैयार हैं, कितने नहीं तैयार हैं इस मेंटल ट्रांजिशन के लिए। आई थिंक इट विल टेक